फॉर एनिमेशन यू डोंट रियली नीड टू नो स्केचिंग. ये फील्ड जैसे मैंने बताया कि इतना वास्ट है कि इसमें ज़रूरी नहीं है कि मतलब अगर मैं ड्राइंग नहीं जानता हूँ तो फिर मैं ये नहीं कर सकता हूँ. वी आर एक्चुअली गिविंग यू 2 मेन कोर्सेज. ठीक है, आप यहाँ आए हो तो आई वुड प्रिफर दैट यू डोंट नो एंड यू हैव कम हियर टू लर्न, बिकॉज फिर आप ओपन माइंड से लर्न करते हो. एंड दैट्स वाई हमारा पूरा फोकस यही रहता है दैट हाउ विल दे गेट दैट इंडस्ट्री एक्सपीरियंस. I was with Aaj Tak. I started my career with Aaj Tak as a television journalist. Then I joined print media also. I've been associated with Business Standard for some time. And I have written for almost all the major newspapers, national and international. I have also been associated with a few colleges in Mumbai where I used to teach journalism. At the Lexicon Institute of Media and Animation, we are actually giving you 2 main courses. एक तो है जो 12th standard के बाद आप कर सकते हो, 3 साल का कोर्स है एनिमेशन में, और the other course is a 2-year course जो आप पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन में कर सकते हो. ठीक है, वो जर्नलिज्म रिलेटेड है. Yeah, very good question, because actually this is a question that a lot of parents ask us also. For sketching, for animation, you don't really need to know sketching. There was a time when you had to know sketching and drawing because everything was done by hand. Okay, आज सब कुछ सॉफ्टवेयर से करते हैं, सब कुछ इतना कंप्यूटराइज्ड हो गया है that you really don't need to know a lot. ये फील्ड जैसे मैंने बताया कि इतना वास्ट है कि इसमें ज़रूरी नहीं है कि मतलब अगर मैं ड्राइंग नहीं जानता हूँ तो फिर मैं ये नहीं कर सकता हूँ. बहुत सारी अलग चीज़ें हैं, जैसे बहुत सारे एस्पेक्ट्स हैं ना उसके, तो आप दूसरे एस्पेक्ट्स कर सकते हो. आई बिलीव कि अगर आपको सब कुछ आता था तो आपको हमारी ज़रूरत नहीं है. ठीक है, आप यहाँ आए हो तो आई वुड प्रिफर दैट यू डोंट नो एंड यू हैव कम हियर टू लर्न, बिकॉज फिर आप ओपन माइंड से लर्न करते हो. और journalism is not only about being able to write very well. Journalism also involves a lot of other skills, like you need to know how to develop sources, how to write well, what will you do, how to get the story, how to develop a nose for news. ये सारी चीज़ें की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. So you learn about that. All right. Yes, actually, Lexicon Group, is also the promoter for Pune Times Mirror. It's a newspaper, tabloid newspaper. So for print journalism students, so they already have, scope of working with Pune Times Mirror, and also a lot of real life experiences that they require. They will gain from that. We are in talks with new people, with new companies, so that we can ensure that our students can go there and work. We ourselves have diverse companies. We have the group itself has a lot of companies, and that's why there is scope for a lot of internship to work here in the house also. But one important thing is that हमारा जो outlook है ना, our outlook is totally geared to the fact that we want our students to be able to work from day one. So the moment they step out of this place, they should be able to work on their own. And that's why हमारा पूरा focus यही रहता है that how will they get that industry experience. That's quite true that there are a lot of people who want to come into this field simply because they are passionate. We have a student called Palak who who was supposed to shoot for 3 hours. That shoot went on for 12 hours. And I was really worried that, because this whole shoot is would take a toll on her. It was a whole day shoot that she's been involved in. And I asked her that, are you okay? And she said, this is the best day of my life. She said, the first month, मैम ये first month है मेरा, और first month में ही आपने मुझे फील्ड पे भेज दिया और आपने मुझे बोला कि पूरा शूट करो. और हम लोग एक्चुअली वी वांट टू गिव द स्टूडेंट द फ्रीडम टू मेक मिस्टेक्स. सो वी टोल्ड हर दैट आपको क्या लगता है क्या क्वेश्चंस पूछना चाहिए, आप वो बताइए पहले और उसके बाद आप डिसाइड किए. सो वी आर गिविंग द स्टूडेंट द लीवे दैट शी टेक्स अ डिसीजन. सो यू realize that it's not only about the fact that she learns on the field, but we're also developing her confidence. She also develops the confidence that yes, I can go out and ask something and it's okay to make a mistake right now. She can't make that mistake when she's out on the field, at work. So right now she can do that. ओके सो हमारे पास यहाँ पे बच्चे चेन्नई से भी हैं, कुछ हिंदी बेल्ट से भी हैं, कुछ लोकल स्टूडेंट्स हैं. बट अच्छी बात यह है कि ऑल ऑफ देम हैव कम टुगेदर बिकॉज they understand that we are all from different backgrounds, we all have some strengths and some weaknesses, and how they work among themselves. I think अगर हम बच्चों को फ्रीडम देना थोड़ा सा, अगर हम उन पर प्रेशर नहीं डालें और अगर वो ये जानते हैं कि हम उनको ट्रस्ट करते हैं, तो अपने आप से बच्चे ना इतना अच्छे से गोल मिल जाते कि ये बिल्कुल नहीं है कंपटीशन की चलो एक लड़की बहुत ही बढ़िया करती है काम, उसका काम मतलब ऐसा है कि वो शी कैन स्टार्ट वर्किंग फ्रॉम टुडे, इतना बढ़िया काम कर रही है वो. तो वो जो है वो बैठती है, जो लोकल बच्ची है जिसको हिंदी समझ में नहीं आती उसके साथ बैठती है, ठीक है, वो उसको समझाती है कैसे करना है, उसका काम करना है. सो व्हाट इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग इज दैट दीज किड्स हैव मैनेज्ड टू come together and they are all working on improving themselves, and I think nothing better than that for us. So animation today is not limited to just gaming industry or VFX or film industry. एक्चुअली एनिमेशन का अगर आप देखो तो हर जगह इस्तेमाल होता है, एडवर्टाइजिंग से लेके इवन इफ यू कंसिडर समथिंग लाइक दिस ब्रोशर विच इज बीन प्रिंटेड, एंड एक शॉट इफ यू गेट इनटू द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री और इफ यू गेट इनटू एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री और एनीथिंग, one shot, so consider a shot like Brahmastra, a movie like Brahmastra, okay, in that one shot had something about fire, it had water, it had dust, it had air, all those shots were included, right? And for each of that you would have a separate software that you would work on. So there is so much scope otherwise also within the industry, film industry, and otherwise outside also. So career wise there is no boundary, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Typically the starting range is 3.5 to 4 lakhs, okay, but after you begin, if you're good at your work, the growth is very quick, so you can go up to over 7 lakhs also per annum that way, but सब आप पे डिपेंड करता है. Any student who wants to get into animation or wants to get into media, the basic thing is that they have to be true to the field. They have to be passionate about it, because without passion you cannot survive. Animation is a very interesting thing, but what we see on screen, takes years and years of hard work and a lot of patience. So if you look at the movie Avatar, it took about 13 years to make, right? It looks fantastic, The Way of the Water. It looks fantastic, but it took 13 years to make. So these movies take long. That is because there is so much work that is going into it. So unless you're passionate, you will not be able to survive here. And you come here with an open mind, and we are ready to teach you anything and everything that there is about these fields.